Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki!
For over 75 days, all the veterans, the brave Jawans who have sacrificed and in fact done a lot for the country are waging almost a battle of sorts, protesting for the rightful one rank, one pension.
One rank, one pension! One rank, one pension!
हम सब हवलदार मेजर सिंह को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि आप पानी भी पी लो भाई और आप आर हॉस्पिटल में चले जाओ। डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला है कि कल पुष्पेंद्र सिंह साहब जिनके साथ मेरे को बहुत प्यार है।
Now at Jantar Mantar, in a day after Colonel Pushpender Singh was in fact taken to hospital, now Havaldar Major Singh, his health condition seems to have gone down. Signs of dehydration as per his medical report. He is, however, refusing to go to hospital. He is saying that he will continue his fast unto death. Since this morning, ever since reports surfaced that he is facing dehydration, Havaldar Major Singh also gave up drinking water. Now veterans are requesting him to go to hospital for preliminary treatment. However, Havaldar Major Singh is refusing. He is saying that he will not go to hospital.
Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki!
आपको डॉक्टर ने कहा है कि आपके शरीर में पानी की कमी, आप डिहाइड्रेट हो रहे हैं, पर उसके बावजूद आपने पानी छोड़ दिया है, ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसा इसीलिए है कि जो हमारा आरोपी है, हमको पहले तो हम 62 दिन 24 घंटे के लिए बैठते रहे, लेकिन उसके 16 तारीख को हम मरणोत्तर पर बैठ गए। यही कि हमारा आरोपी का लेटर हमें इशू नहीं किया, तो 15 तारीख को पूरा विश्वास था हमें कि प्रधानमंत्री हमारे फेवर में कुछ बोलेगा, लेकिन उसने नहीं कुछ बोला। तो हम इसीलिए बोल रहे हैं कि हम उस दिन तक नहीं उठेंगे जिन्हें आरोपी का लेटर हमारे हाथ में नहीं आ जाता। मैं इधर बैठा रहूंगा। मैं
Pushpender Singh, he has been on a fast unto death for the last 10 days, Anand. The 9th day, which was yesterday, he was taken to hospital after his ketone levels shot up. They were 100 when this was supposed to be 0. He is now recovering in the Army Research and Referral Hospital in Delhi. However, he continues his fast.
Unfortunately, had it been any time later, it would have been very bad. But yes, we are together. He says he's continuing with this fast. People at the hospital say, we are with you for the big cause. And yes, we are all together.
You can see these veterans from different walks of life, from different religions, from different castes, coming together on one platform saying that India deserves to give its brave men, brave ex-servicemen OROP. In fact, sources in the government have been telling us that they will in fact be having these back-channel dialogues, and next 48 hours are very crucial.
One rank, one pension. One rank, one pension.
We have been taken for a ride in the last so many months.
We had very high hopes from our Prime Minister Modi.
Bharat Mata Ki!
We are the soldiers of the country. We appeal to the Prime Minister to kindly grant us this one rank, one pension implementation. One rank, one pension. One rank, one pension.
They are delaying it and they are causing hurt to the morale of the ex-servicemen.
2 of the ex-servicemen in hospital after sitting on fast unto death for 10 days. Pressure mounting on the government and even the back-channel talks taking place with the ex-servicemen. The question really is, will the government relent and give in to the demands of the veterans and implement one rank, one pension on the desired working deadline of 26th August? With British Sanjay Sharma, this is Vijay Kao in Delhi for Times Now.